When the man come taking a quamona because my boy and Udo deal on your Udo deal Udo deal one. Because now this thing now Funakoba, this video na Funakoba should be a must have for onyo bonabo Igbo. Ebo boni no nanko like this thing now, this video kwesi iwutegi. Yotago this video no for kwesi iwutegi because no matter your boni na gabi, no matter your boni na men and Igbo. As this thing now stands now, by all the Eastern governors, I'm expecting people to come together and put an end to this insecurity. This is a barbaric act. For the wrong man, because that's able to this thing now should be a massive turnout post, a massive share, a massive tag. This video can see receive every because it's not easy. When our mothers begins to protest, man, he maybe go. When mothers begin to protest, the elderly ones come out on the street and begins to protest. Malena ihe maybe go. Things are really getting out of hand. Imagine the whole of 36 states. So also 5 states can win because officially I 5. So what happens to other 31 states are for laughter? Enough have enough vegetations na beha. They have enough land mass. They have enough place they could see it here in the back. Kana achieve hadia. Other countries na achieve. Maniman patazine emeno iputi unachelo nke badawa ni buy. And I so much want to speak against this now abapota. Ndidi bia no apota hana ana actually if you panda na actually me ekwesi icho ime hefi. Ije ugwa Hausa or Igbo mmadu ese ugwa Hausa bu da tali gefe no bro zen keputa you give these people camp on our villages. I don't know they are not committing atrocities in that is overwhelming. You know what I go? Getting kebe puta na agipiti will see na for young them mother nike. Will see na for young them mother nike, young ladies. Yeah? So somebody cannot go to his farm again. A lot of things na email Eastern governors to come and put hand. No contract no sign within Hausa. Any contract no sign within Hausa. You people should put an end to it because now life of the people who are governor they are finishing. When the man of Buzialo, yache. Because basically any only homes I need in this country apart from security. An average Nigerian person, especially Igbo, is working hard for himself. So what are you people now doing? I implore everybody in local government chairman when it's time to start questioning them. Start asking some vital questions. It's time to start questioning these people. Now what have you people been doing? Because things are getting out of hand. Because someone do go say na ayana mabulu mmadụ na atọ na before police abia unu nwale kunu si na chekwa no tupu government abia because as it stands now government are brought for the people and for the people they are for them and for them alone. Una what I go so because sharing this video KILL1NG because now this is a total letdown for our people, a total letdown. Because na ka na eme Enugu ka na eme Imo kezi state di save na Igbo anaya ba na ya kidnappers na unknown government na kwundo Fulani so also na Igbo aya no ha choose ka nwozia completely the poor amana things are really getting out of hand. No road, no security, no light, no food, no water. Gini gwana all these things be here na abu ine like this obi na agbawa mmadu. So bikono share this video, no share chai una tag everybody that needs to be tagged in this video. This
is happening live in issues of local government. I humble for parts. We are going hungry. They are sleeping with our women. After sleeping with them, they will use a stick under their victory, which is very bad. Government of Enugu State. Our settlements occupied. na-aṅụ nekwe na ihe ọjọọ na-eme n'isi ụzọ asụ onye na tie adanụ m n'onwe nwaanyị nke erekwuru kịta ka nwaanyị ahụ n'ọdịna ada tinyere osisi n'ike n'ọdịna kịta na-eji mma bee ya kedu ihe Fulani nwere na ụmụ nwaanyị lekwenụ ndị mmanyị na-ebe akwa lekwenụ ndị mmanyị lekwenụ ha na-ebe akwa they are crying ihe niile anyị n'ugbo